try harder.
Who glued these to the floor? Oh, there's more.
Don't take them all off because I want to shoot Matthew.
Oh, that's not.
There's none in here. Zach wants to see you doing it.
Is there more?
Are you coming, Zach? You coming or what?
Yeah, don't take them all because I want to shoot Matthew off the floor. Because Matthew
What
likes
do you use?
super glue. Don't take the dime off. Don't say it. Don't take those off either.
I can't pick up. I can't. That works good. Where'd you get the super glue?